Where other things do you think teachers can do that gives a sense of belonging or belief in pupils when it comes to maths? What are not the quick wins, Emma, because we know that there's no such thing really, but how can we begin to develop a classroom culture that makes it more acceptable to consider yourself a good mathematician or to, believe that it's something that you can do?
Yeah, I think, and it's always a funny one, right? When you talk in these podcasts, and I know the people listening to these podcasts probably do all these things because they're the ones who are interested and engaging.
But as you say, we've got to start somewhere, haven't
We've got
we?
to
So,
start somewhere.
we can
So
start
I
spreading the
think
word.
it's creating that positive atmosphere and actually making it a safe space to fail. Because actually, if we're doing problem solving, a lot of that time will be not getting to the right answer or not even feeling like we've got anywhere and actually making that okay. Because I think for a lot of our pupils, they'll be going, well, actually, I've been sat here for 10 minutes, I've got nothing to show for it. And that naturally starts to build this anxiety of, well, the teacher's going to tell me off. It's not like I've not been working. And actually creating that space where it's okay for that, like for you to have got stuck and that the fact that you're thinking it through and then what steps have you taken. So just any sort of work we can do to make pupils feel safe to fail, I think is really great. I think positive praise, but positive praise for the right things. So it's not necessarily just about getting the answer right, because that's very easy to praise. It's very easy to see, but actually one of my big focuses this year is praising learning behaviors. So if someone has gone away and done some extra year 8 maths sort of work like your daughter's done, actually making sure I've rewarded that as well, because that's great, even if it's not kind of come at 100% in a test. Actually, it's still a really positive learning behavior. Actually that person's worked really hard. They still only got 6 questions done, but actually for them, that's a really great achievement. And
Yeah.
signaling those things, I think, is really important so that they can see it's not about a success. It's about trying the right things, because actually long term, that will breed the bigger success for them.